there's people who try to make videos, debunking and trying to say,
I don't try to make videos, I just make them.
this doesn't work, blah, blah, blah. And so there's an idiot doing a video where he's going to rotate a lever. So it starts off, here's the fulcrum, and it's going to swing and then oscillate. So he's using gravity to initiate the action. So he's not hitting it with a constant force or something like that.
Yeah, I'm using gravity, which is a constant acceleration. If I was to lift a mass to a certain height, and it was the same mass and it was the same height, and I drop it, it would constantly go down at the same acceleration, no matter how many times you do it.
Allowing gravity to create the initial motion. All right, and so he's making the claim, okay, that these two configurations, which are, it's just obviously, these are two completely different. There's nothing in my argument that he's debunking because I never claimed otherwise.
No, you didn't claim this exactly, but it still shows the point.
So he's got two levers, and in one situation he puts the mass here, okay?
No, not two levers, exactly the same lever. I've just moved the masses.
Say a 1 pound, we'll just use that, or 1 ounce. All right, and then in the next case, didn't really need to do that. Yeah, that wasn't my intention. He takes the same masses and puts them out here. And then he claims that it's some big...
Right. So you do understand that they are the same masses. So the lever itself weighs 35 grams. The masses are 40 grams each. So what's that? 35, 17 and a half plus 40, 57 and a half grams. So each side of the lever weighs 57 and a half grams. Now, no matter where I put those weights on that lever, it weighs the same.
Prize, and it's a big proof against me because this one's harder to move. Well, of course it's...
Right, yeah. So basically I lift it up into gravity, same mass, the same 57 and a half grams. One accelerates very quickly under the force of gravity, and the other one doesn't, even though it's exactly the same force acting upon it, the same accelerative force, but the lever doesn't accelerate the same. I'm sure you could test this out for yourself, and then you'd fucking know, wouldn't you, you prick? Right, you need a T-bar, a simple T-bar. So just build yourself one, and place the weight, the same weight, very close to the pivot point. Grab hold of it with your hands and lift it up in the air and keep it level. Now move the weight further out and do the same. And what you'll find is, as you try to lift it, you will have to apply more turning force here to keep it level. You'll be able to feel it. Try it out. And bear in mind, this is the same as this one, and this is the same as this, so everything weighs the same. The same force of gravity is acting upon it, the same acceleration. The only difference is the creation of the moment, or the torque, or the turning force.